Peter, bingo was Joe's favorite thing. Now you go over there and take him with you, or I don't want you going at all.
Hey, don't try to take this away from me. This is the only thing I've ever been good at. Well, this and timing my farts to a thunderstorm.
Why don't we all go ahead and turn to page 6 in the handout? The first thing you're going to notice is a bar graph. And what that is to indicate our international sales, which peaked, of course, during the last quarter. But now we're expecting that to drop off as we enter the colder weather.
The storm's moving away.